Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create dancing videos in TalkingPhotos AI. This is one of the new features in version 3. So I'm logged into my TalkingPhotos account. This is the home page. Click on Create Video at the top. And you'll see these options. You can create talking, singing, and dancing photos, and I've created separate tutorials for each of these. So I'll click on Dancing V3. In step number 1, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal or vertical videos. I'll choose vertical, which is 9:16 aspect ratio, and then click on Create New Character. In step 2, you generate the character. If you're generating a character from scratch, you can use this drop-down to choose the gender, male or female. And using this drop-down, you can choose human or 3D cartoon, and then enter your prompt here. In my case, I'm going to be using my own character, so I'll just enter recreate this image. You can also try reuse this image, and then I'll drag and drop the image here, or you can click this button, which is what I'll do. I'll navigate to my folder on my computer, and then choose the image, and then click Open. So here is the image, and then I'll click on Generate. So then give it a few seconds as it generates the image. This can sometimes take a minute or so. And here is the generated image. You can hover over the image and you can click this button to save the image to your computer and then click Next. In step number 3, you choose the motion. As you can see, there are quite a few to choose from. Let me scroll back up. And if you click on a specific dance move, it will show you the preview. As you can see right here, this is one of them. And here is another preview of dance move number 5. Let me play just a few seconds so you can see what it looks like. So I'll select this dance move and then click Next. In step number 4, you choose the audio. There are 2 options here. If you have Clone Voice, which is another app, you can import your songs in here. Alternatively, you can use this option to import your audio file, which is what I'll do. I'll click on Import Audio. And from this pop-up, I'll select the audio folder and then click on Upload File. You can drag and drop your file here. I've already uploaded mine, so I'll just select it, this one right here. Then I'll scroll down and click Select. And as you can see, here is the audio file. If you click on this icon, you'll see this pop up, and it's limited to 30 seconds. So you can use these handles like so to adjust the audio and choose a specific section of the audio for 30 seconds, like so. I'll just use the original settings. You can also use this audio fade out if you want to. So let me close this dialog box, and then I'll click on Next. In the final step, you need to render the MP4 video. So give it a project name, and then click on Render Video. And on this next page, you can click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the progress of the video rendering. And then once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, clone, or delete the project. This one rendered in about 12 minutes. And I'll play the video at the end of this tutorial, but let me quickly show you a cool feature. So I'll click on Merge Videos at the top. And then on this page, you click on Add Video. It'll open this pop-up where you'll see the videos you've rendered. Then I'll select this video and then click on Select. So here is a selected video. Next, I'll just follow the same process and then select a couple more video clips like so. And then click on Next. In the final step, you give it a project name. And then use this button if you want to replace the audio, which is what I'll do. And then I'll click on Import Audio. From this pop-up, I'll select the audio folder and then click on Upload File. And then you can drag and drop it here. I already have my audio, so I'll select it. And then I'll scroll down and then click Next. And finally click on Merge Video. So this is a handy feature to merge multiple video clips. Now let me play the dance video that we just rendered. So there you have it. You can get Talking Photos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.